Hey guys, it's Mr. Johnson, and today we'll be going over the dentist drill build. Alright, let's go. The power drill is a pretty cool build. It has three main pieces that we're using. One of the pieces that we're using is fairly new to the builds that we've been doing. This is the tilt sensor. You can't see the tilt sensor from just looking at this because it's inside of the build. But inside of here is the tilt sensor. Basically what that does is move the, it tells the motor to move once it senses tilt. So when I put it, so this is the charging base for our drill. When I put it, I've programmed it so that when it's on the charging base, nothing happens. But once I bring it off the charging base and I tilt forward, it goes. And when I tilt it back like this, it stops. So what we have here are gears right here connected to our motor. This motor with these wires is connected to the smart hub or the battery. And I've programmed the power drill with this iPad here. So what this code is saying is I put it on a continuous loop so that when I tilt, the motor goes, and when I tilt it back up this way, the motor stops. Put it back on the charging base. So basically all this is saying is to wait until you sense a tilt, then move the motor at a speed of 8. Wait until you sense another tilt and stop the motor. So when the smart hub, which is this right here, senses a particular tilt, it sends the code to the motor telling the motor to go. And when it senses another tilt, it sends a message to the motor telling the motor to stop. So when it senses that the drill is tilted this way, it tells the motor to stop. But when it senses the drill is tipped this way, it tells the motor to go. Put that back on the charging base. And that is our dentist drill build. Hope you had fun. If you'd like to build this yourself, we have step-by-step instructions in the description. Thank you.